Alright, hello and welcome to a new series I'm doing. It's Learn to Code, and today is JavaScript, which I've never done before. I know how to do Python, but I can't do JavaScript, so I'm learning it now. I'm in the middle of one already when I came up with this idea, so just jump right in. Alright, so we're just learning some math strings at the moment. So the next thing on our list, use the JavaScript documentation. So I'll click on that. JavaScript is to find a method on the built-in number object that checks if the number is integer. I don't know how to say that right, but I just use int normally. So. Okay, so we have the find method of the built-in number object. Put the number 2017 in the parentheses of the method you use console.log to print the result. Okay, so we'll go over here and we will look. Is it? Check int. Let me see. I don't really know how far I think so. Let's use that. Still that. See on here. Is right there. Let's go there. Alright, so functions text dash y equals numbers. There's no rid of that. That's values. So we can run this command fits. That's not alright, I get what's going on here. So it's console.log number is int gr. What was it? 2017. And then realistically, this should print true. Alright, and we got a check. Alright, we're good to go. So, after I execute any commands here, I go back and I review what I've done. So I will pop that up on screen. This window, which I will now execute this command in a playground to make sure that I have it down and I know what I'm doing. So console.log, and obviously I do this with my own example. So it is number dot is alright, number that is integrator, then we do parentheses. We'll do our own example. We'll put 2020 just because they did a year. I'll do a year. And it did come out as true, which means the command was executed properly. I wonder though if I could put in something stupid and it would still come true. Like, what could I put to make this not true? Like an H in here? No, okay, that breaks everything. Okay, so what would be false? Okay, so no number would be false, but 0 is true, which is still no number. And this is also false. Okay, that's interesting. Okay. I don't understand how the whole false works, but if that works, then that works. So we will switch back to our screen here and do the next. So this is review. Okay, well, I've already done review, so is there anything they want me to do? Let's take some of this code we just learned. Data is printed or logged to the console command. Alright, so this is just all stuff that we learned. I'm gonna do something real quick. I'm actually just gonna take my review or my review and see if I can do chunk. So we'll do, I forgot what, I think it was slash, then this, and if I wanted it to end here, I would do this first, then slash. Alright, so that works. So it just hides, it's gonna just hide this chunk instead of hiding this entire thing. Alright, so I know what I'm doing.
Richard, you know what, just go.
Precisely. Alright, we're back after helping my brother with fractions. So the next thing we gotta do looks like, so we got sunshine 100 true. I'm assuming sunshine is a sample text. 100 would be the math, and then tree would be what we just did, but the number is integer. I think that's how you say it. So in program variables, container for value. Yeah, I've seen this before. I know what this means. Because I'm not new to coding, I just don't JavaScript. I haven't JavaScript before, so I'm learning it. Ensure values, store data in memory, create a variable, name, store, update information stored in the value by reference, or get information. When you're ready, okay. So we're going to go to the next exercise here. There are a lot of changes introduced in the ES6 version of JavaScript in 2015. One of the biggest changes was two new keywords, let and const. To create or declare variables prior to the ES6, programmers could use the var keyword to declare variables. Let's consider the example above. So var space my name equals area console.myname output is gonna be our. So I'm assuming that this is the storage, or this is the container, and then this is taking up the storage. So you're basically putting this inside of this, so that now all you have to do is run this command, and this will execute the outcome. So that's what I'm assuming. So I'll test that now, I guess. So we'll do var my name equals, I'll just do my name Richard and put that in. I spelled that wrong, that's nice. And then we'll do console.log my name, and then realistically that should put my name in the console. Okay, that's for something else, so we're not gonna use it right. Operator, yeah, so I understand how this stuff works. I get the basic idea. So declare a variable named favorite food using the var keyword to assign it to the string pizza. So I'm assuming it wants me to do my name equals I think I would just put favorite food. I'm just gonna copy so I don't have to type it out. Favorite food. I have to put var my name equals favorite food, or okay, I think I get it. So this can be anything, and then favorite food would be pizza, right? Or whatever you have in there. So that being said, if we did console.log favorite food and end it, it should say pizza. Alright, so we've attached favorite food to this string, but for some reason did you assign the variable favorite food a string of pizza? What does that mean? What do they mean by that? Var greeting, to use the var keyword to declare variable initialize it with a string with the following stanzas. That's what I did. Let me run it again. Give me a second, fellas. Might do a quick Google search to see. Should the var for the data type array all determined? Okay. I think it's because I swear to God, it's because of the capital. God damn it! It's because of the fucking capital P. I put a capital P because I thought, like, common sense goes a long way. Put a capital P because that looks formal. That's why I was showing wrong. God. It's cap sensitive. It's really cap sensitive. This has got me so many times. It's all part of the fun. Alright. Declare a variable named name of slices using the var keyword and assign it to the... Alright, so it just wants us to do the same exact thing. So I'm going to go to next down over var num of slices. Num of slices is what? 8, I guess. And then we do console.log and then put num of slices. It should come out with 8 in the... Okay, that's nice. Uh-oh. What did I do wrong? Someone tell me where I did wrong. Num of slices, minus 8. That looks alright. I don't see a problem. Let me make sure that they're doing alright. New num. I must have spelled something wrong. Oh. There we go. What? Should be... Notice this should be a number value expected. Notice this should be, but found it to be a string. I think I know what it means. So it wants me... What? Wait, what does it say? Okay, so to use the var to declare a variable initially with a user, initially with a number. Oh, I need to initialize it with a number. This is like initializing it with a word instead of a number. So I need to. I think I need to use the new num. New num equals 8. Let me see what that does right off the back. Okay, that doesn't do anything. And then... But how do I initialize it with... Declare the variable named number... So we need to declare... I'm gonna have to pop a solution to see what I'm supposed to do in this one. So var favor sued. Oh, I knew that. I knew that. You were so... Okay. I'm so stupid. Oh my god, I realized my mistake. I had parentheses over this. Or not parentheses, fucking single quotes over the 8. So yeah, that I should have known. So if we run this command now, it'll say pizza 8. But if you never said, I should have known that. That was a newbie mistake. I should have known that. That was easy. That was an easy one. And then okay, so we're done with this one. So now we're gonna go over and review what we've learned. That's what I like to do. So let's make... I'm actually gonna... Oopsie. Alright. I'm actually gonna put it here. Because it's 5, the outcome should be 5, which it is. Alright, so now we're going to put... We'll put var, we'll put... fave movie. So put my favorite movie equals quotes Back to the Future. That works. Therefore, and then we'll put var times watched, I guess, equals 1,000 or 100. So now, hopefully, when I execute this new command, fave movie, it'll say Back to the Future, which it does, and then we do console.log times watched. God, I really can't type sometimes. 100. So favorite movie, Back to the Future, executed fine, times watched 100, and then 100 there for when we attached it to this. So normally, if we had something like this, we would bring this down 1. Actually, I don't think you'd have to bring it down. You would use this, we'd hide that back to this. Another concept would be price. So a liver called change me and set the equal to the boolean true. I'm gonna use a hidden just to see like what they mean exactly. Okay, that makes sense. So what they want me to do is say let me see what the command was. It was just let change me. I think that's what they want. Let change me and set it equal to the boolean equal true. Okay, so I want to equal true, I think. Alright. Yeah, okay, I got it. So on the line after change me is declared set, the value of change me to false. So change is assigned to the change me to the console. It's a certain console, I guess. So realistically, I'm string this variable equal. Huh? Oh, I see. Okay. So change me now equal can use false as well. What the heck? Change equals. So that should be what they want. No. Oh, okay. I think they want me to test the command first, then do that. So alright, run that. Wrong. What? Did you say change me to false? I thought they wanted to make a new one. I guess not. Okay, I guess they didn't. Alright. Alright, we'll do this last one and call it for this episode. But I'm gonna be uploading these constantly, like every day. We'll be coming back to this. I'm gonna finish this whole thing, so it's gonna be 2-part. I will finish the rest of this in the next video after this one. So it's gonna be recorded right after this, but so let's just finish this one up. So const was introduced. I'm assuming this means construct or const. I think it means construct, which is it's constant. That's what I meant, not construct. Construct is Python. Constant with the var let store can in constant value. So const money, the money output. So it's basically the exact same thing. Behavior named entree, so that equals to. So I think it wants me to put const yeah, okay. So const entree equals I'm not spelling enchiladas, so I will copy and paste it. I wouldn't have no idea how to do it. So I think that's a constant right there. Yes, alright, we got the okay, we got the check. Oopsie, I just opened Epic Games for some reason. Okay. Just to check that you saved the value of enchiladas to entree, log the value entry to the console. So we do console.log this, and then I think entree? Alright. That's good. Great, let's see what happens if you try to reassign a constant variable. Paste the following code at the bottom of your program. At the bottom. So just like all the way down here. The code throws the following error when you run the code. Let's see. Assignment to constant variable. Yep, there it is. After you clear this checkpoint, you want to see about another quick const. Open the hint. Alright. Now let's test what happens when you try to declare a const variable without a variable. Paste in the code to your program. I think I just replace it with this one. Yeah. I'm missing a constant.
Richard?
Alright, that's good to go.
Richard?
What?
You have some free time?
Do you need help with fractions again?
Yep. I am Jackson's.
That is going to conclude coding for today. Well, for now. I'm going to literally just edit this video, and then I'm going to get right back to recording the next part, and I will have that uploaded. I'll probably schedule it for a few hours after this video comes out, just to see how well the videos do. This is more for me than for you guys, but I feel like you guys kind of like to see people code and build up their skills, so that's what we're doing.